Ever feel like you're running all day, but when you finally sit down at night, you can't remember what you actually accomplished? Yeah, I've been there too. You're not alone. Let's talk about what's really going on when you're busy from sunrise to sunset, but your to-do list barely shrinks. Here's the thing. Busyness and productivity are not the same. You might be jumping between emails, messages, and a dozen open tabs. Maybe you're answering every little notification or checking your phone every 5 minutes. It feels like you're working hard, but nothing really gets done. I used to think that if my calendar was packed and I was constantly doing something, I was productive. But in reality, I was just spinning my wheels. The real problem? It's not a lack of effort or even a lack of time. It's scattered focus. Let me tell you a quick story. One day, I decided to try something different. I picked the most important task on my list and blocked out 1 hour. No distractions, no multitasking, just that single task. At first, it wasn't easy. My mind kept jumping around, wanting to check messages or open a new tab, but I pushed through. By the end of that hour, I had made real progress, not just a little, like actual noticeable progress, and I felt calm, not frazzled. That was my light bulb moment. See, multitasking tricks you into thinking you're getting more done, but your brain can only focus deeply on one thing at a time. When you try to do too much, your attention is split, and everything takes longer. So, what can you do instead? First, start each day by picking 1 or 2 high-priority tasks. Write them down, somewhere you can see them. When you sit down to work, tackle that first task and give it your full attention. If something else pops into your mind, jot it down and get back to what you were doing. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Don't let a busy schedule trick you into thinking you're productive. Take control of your focus, and you'll start to see real results, maybe for the first time in a long time. Remember, it's better to finish 1 meaningful task than to half-finish 5. If you want to stop feeling overwhelmed and start feeling accomplished, be intentional with your time. So next time you catch yourself stuck in the busy but going nowhere spiral, pause. Look at your list, pick one thing, and give it your undivided attention. You might be surprised how much you can actually get done and how good it feels. Don't just stay busy, stay intentional.